I'm Sean Frisky and I'm President and CEO of Ground Effects Environmental. Ground Effects develops technology that's used in the oil and gas sector. We develop technology used for waste management. The electroseparation cell is a new product that Ground Effects has developed for removing low-gravity solids from oil-based drilling mud. We apply a high-voltage electrical field which destabilizes the low-gravity solids in ultrafines and allows them to drop out. One of the unique features of our electrodes is we have a proprietary coating that allows the electroseparation process to work very efficiently and keep the electrodes clean as well. So one of the problems in the industry right now is low gravity solids and ultrafines build up in oil-based drilling mud systems. And when that happens, it slows down the rate of penetration of the drilling, causes stuck drill stem, all sorts of issues. So our technology is one of the only technologies in the world that actually can remove the low gravity solids from the drill mud. Currently we have 4 different ESC models ranging in capacity from 10 cubic meters per day to 200 cubic meters per day. Some of the applications for the ESC are onshore rig, treating post-centrifuge, removing low gravity solids after the centrifuge. The second application onshore is for waste management, treating at a fixed facility, reducing low gravity solids. And the third application is offshore, which is a huge application because it reduces the amount of waste they need to transport to land, which is very expensive. So another huge advantage of the ESC system is the waste minimization, which relates to cost savings. So by reducing the amount going to a landfill, there's a significant reduction in the costs. But the other big savings comes in the amount that's needed to dilute the mud, the drilling mud system, back to normal operating. We reduce the amount of oil required to get the mud system back in spec. So we're reducing it on 2 fronts. One is the reduction going to the landfill, and the second is in actually the amount that would need to be diluted. The ESC system is very low maintenance. It has very few rotating parts, which is one of the huge benefits. Basically, we just load it and let it process for its set amount of time, which is usually 1 to 2 hours. And there's nothing going on. We're just applying an electrical field. So it's extremely low maintenance and there's really nothing to wear out on it. And it's built very oil field robust. The system is extremely easy to operate. Basically, you input the electrical stability number into the machine and the time that you want it to process for, and it automatically self-adjusts. So it's very easy, intuitive to operate. Some of the other benefits, it's self-cleaning. So unlike a lot of systems that work in oil-based mud, the system entirely cleans itself out at the end of every cycle. A very low energy costs, therefore very low operating costs. There are no consumables, with the exception of electricity. One of the other benefits is that it has a very small footprint, which is great for offshore application. So we use a Coriolis meter to measure density and flow and total. And what that allows us to do is our customer is able to pick a specific density of mud they want as an output. And we can dial the machine in and give them exactly that. So if they require 900 kilogram per cubic meter mud, we can give them the exact density they require. Ground Effects will provide exclusive manufacturing of the product, and we'll also provide world-class training both at our facility in the classroom and in the field with our field technicians. If a company is interested in the ESC, they can contact us directly by phone or email, or one of our other partners.